We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the Flying iFlying Spinner mini drone for kids, also known as the Fly UFO toy by TowerSmart. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Flying iFlying Spinner mini drone is marketed as a hand-operated boomerang-style flying toy designed for children and teens, but it has also attracted the attention of adults seeking a fun, interactive gadget. Its core appeal lies in its unique method of operation. Rather than hovering or following remote commands like traditional mini drones, this device is thrown by hand and is designed to return to the user in a boomerang-like fashion. The closed mesh cover and aerodynamic design are intended to make it safe for indoor and outdoor play, while the built-in LED lights create a visually engaging experience, especially in low-light conditions. From the outset, it is important to clarify that this flying toy differs significantly from most mini drones on the market. It does not feature obstacle detection sensors, cannot hover in place, and does not automatically avoid objects or rise when close to the ground. Instead, its flight path is entirely determined by the angle and force with which it is thrown. This means that mastering the toy requires practice and patience, as users learn to control its trajectory and catch it safely. The manufacturer recommends the product for children aged 8 and older, and many reviewers have confirmed that with some practice, children and adults alike can enjoy a variety of tricks and games. Setup is straightforward. To begin, users simply turn on the power switch, hold the center shaft, and rotate the aircraft to start the motor. The drone is then thrown at different angles, which determines whether it flies smoothly or returns in a boomerang arc. Throwing the device upwards at a 30-degree angle forward causes it to rotate along an axis perpendicular to its flight direction, resulting in the signature boomerang effect. This makes it particularly well suited for solo play, although it can also be used for tossing and catching games with friends and family. The toy's compact size, at just over 3 inches in diameter and weighing a mere 0.635 ounces, makes it easy to transport and store. It charges via a standard micro USB cable, requiring about 15 minutes for a full charge and offering approximately 10 minutes of flight time per session. The battery is a lithium-ion cell included in the package. The device is available in a vibrant blue color, and the LED lights add to its visual appeal, making it a popular choice for birthday and holiday gifts. Turning to user feedback, the Flying iFlying Spinner mini drone has received mixed reviews across various platforms, with an average rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars from over 260 ratings. Positive reviews highlight the toy's entertainment value, durability during learning phases, and appeal to children. Many users report that the toy is a hit with kids, especially those who enjoy active, skill-based play. One reviewer noted that their son loves the toy, while another described it as clever and durable, withstanding frequent collisions with walls and drops as users learn to control it. The LED lights and spinning action are frequently mentioned as standout features that enhance the fun factor, particularly during evening play sessions. Several reviewers have found the toy to be a great stocking stuffer or small gift, suitable for children as young as 8 or 9 years old. Some adults have also enjoyed playing with the device alongside younger family members, using it as a way to engage in interactive, screen-free activities. The toy's simplicity and hands-on nature make it accessible to a wide range of users, provided they are willing to invest some time in learning how to operate it effectively. However, the product has also attracted a significant number of negative reviews, with recurring complaints about reliability, battery life, and overall build quality. Some users report that their device failed to work out of the box, prompting returns and exchanges. Others note that the toy barely hovers above the ground or stops working within seconds of use, leading to frustration and disappointment. Issues with the motor or LED lights breaking after minimal use are also mentioned, suggesting that quality control may be inconsistent across units. Battery life is another commonly cited concern. While the manufacturer claims up to 10 minutes of flight time per charge, several reviewers found that their devices did not last nearly as long, sometimes quitting after only a few minutes or failing to hold a charge after a handful of uses. This has led some users to describe the toy as not built for prolonged use, and a few have labeled it as junk or a waste of money after experiencing repeated failures. Another point of contention is the learning curve associated with the toy's operation. While some users enjoy the challenge of mastering the boomerang effect, others find it difficult to achieve consistent results. A number of reviewers admitted that they were unable to get the toy to fly back as intended, despite multiple attempts and practice sessions. This suggests that the toy may not be as intuitive as advertised, particularly for younger children, or those who are less patient with trial and error learning. Durability is a mixed bag. On one hand, several users praised the toy for surviving numerous crashes and drops during the learning process, indicating that the outer mesh cover does provide a degree of protection. On the other hand, there are reports of units breaking after just a few uses, with motors or internal components failing unexpectedly. This inconsistency in build quality may be a result of manufacturing variances or differences in how the toy is handled by users. One unique issue raised by a reviewer involved the toy flying off unexpectedly and becoming lost, indicating that the lack of sensors or remote control can sometimes result in unpredictable flight paths, especially outdoors. The manufacturer does advise using the toy in large open spaces and avoiding hard walls and floors, but even with these precautions, there is a risk of losing the toy if it is thrown too forcefully or catches an unexpected gust of wind. Despite these drawbacks, there is a segment of users who find the Flying Spinner mini drone to be a fun and engaging gadget, particularly for short bursts of play or as a novelty item. Its affordability and visual appeal make it an attractive option for gift giving, and for those who enjoy skill-based toys, it can provide hours of entertainment. The device's simplicity is both a strength and a weakness. It is easy to get started, but mastering its flight patterns requires patience and practice. In terms of safety, the toy's closed mesh design is intended to protect users' hands during operation, and there are no sharp edges or exposed propellers. This makes it suitable for children, provided they are supervised and play in appropriate environments. The lightweight construction also reduces the risk of injury or damage to property, although users are advised to avoid playing near fragile objects or in confined spaces. To summarize, the Flying Spinner mini drone by Towasmart is a unique hand-operated flying toy that stands out for its boomerang-style flight and colorful LED lights. It is best suited for children aged 8 and up who are willing to practice and develop the skills needed to control its flight. The toy is most enjoyable in large, open areas where it can be thrown and caught safely. While it offers a novel and entertaining experience for many users, it is hampered by inconsistent build quality, limited battery life, and a learning curve that may frustrate some children and parents. Those seeking a reliable, long-lasting mini drone with advanced features such as obstacle detection or remote control may wish to consider other options. However, for those looking for an affordable, visually engaging gadget that encourages active play and skill development, the Flying Spinner mini drone remains a popular choice. If you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Thank you for listening to this detailed review of the Flying Spinner mini drone, compiled from real user feedback across the internet.